How to study for an online math test. When the semester starts, plan to attend all classes. Teachers often emphasize the most important concepts while they deliver their lessons. And if you miss a class, be proactive. Check the learning plan or ask your class friends what was covered. Make sure you go over that material before next class, as many math concepts build on the ones previously covered. Keep up with your homework. Start working on the assignments as soon as they are assigned. If there are any sample tests or test reviews provided by your professor, make sure you allocate time and start working on them at least 1 week before the test. If you anticipate you will have any problems with learning the concepts covered in your math class, there are several things you can do. Visit the Learning Support Center and ask for a peer tutor. They may help with the tricky homework examples or clarify assignment questions. You can also form a study group with your class friends. A study group of 3 to 5 people has been proved to work best. You work alongside friends and keep each other on track. Most of the time, your teacher has office hours. Take advantage of that and visit them bringing specific questions you have troubles with. When you provide how you attempted to solve the questions, your teacher may recognize things that may be missing in your understanding and help clear them all. If your test is open book, therefore allowing you to have an information page with you during the test, include the following as a regular practice while studying. Which parts did you need to revisit while answering the assignment questions? Was there a formula you couldn't remember? Was there a concept you always set up incorrectly? But be brief, just enough for you to recall the math concept, and make an information page you can be proud of. If your test is closed book and does not allow the use of any additional tools, then be ready for questions that encourage recalling and retrieving information. In order to prepare for this test, use cue cards to memorize formulas if they are not provided. While doing test review or sample test questions, try not to use any of the course notes or look in your textbook. Pay attention to the time spent while solving. One way to better prepare is to practice test taking in a simulation, rapid solving questions from the test review or assignment questions. This will also help with making fewer silly mistakes that come often when we are under pressure. Read carefully all instructions posted about the test. What time the test will start? How much time will you have? Familiarize yourself with the test format. Are there any true, false, or multiple choice questions? Or will there be any short or long answers? Each type of question requires different strategy and completion time. When the test time comes, be confident and make sure you did all you could to make the testing event as smooth as possible. Take a look at our video, How to Take an Online Math Test, for strategies on what to do during the test. Be prepared. After the test results are posted and you are able to review your work, go over the mistakes you did and make sure you understand how to correct them. This can be important for following topics which build on previously learned concepts, as it is usually a case in math. And look at the bigger picture. If your grade was low, don't be discouraged, as there are many parts that contribute to the final grade. Keep moving forward.